The real truth about UFOs. After the recent high-altitude Chinese balloon over the USA, which was shot down in subsequent debates over the UFOs in the US, we decided to ask ChatGPT about the America love affair with the UFOs. Let's see what the ChatGPT says. Here we go. We asked ChatGPT, why is that USA has the most UFO sighting? Are the Americans obsessed with UFOs? Do UFOs exist? According to ChatGPT, the United States has reported the most UFO sightings, likely due to a combination of factors. The country has a large population, vast land area, and advanced technology for detecting and reporting sightings. Additionally, the US government has a history of investigating UFOs, which has helped to raise public awareness of the phenomenon. It is difficult to say whether Americans are obsessed with UFOs. While there is certainly a fascination with the topic, it is not necessarily unique to the United States. UFO sightings have been reported in countries all over the world, and interest in the topic is often driven by popular media such as movies and television shows. As for the question of whether UFOs exist, it is currently unknown. While many reported sightings can be explained as natural phenomena or human-made objects, there are still a small percentage of sightings that remain unexplained. Until more conclusive evidence is gathered, it is impossible to say definitively whether UFOs are real or not. Yes, UFO sightings have been reported in many countries around the world, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. In fact, there have been numerous reports of UFO sightings in these regions over the years. However, the frequency of sightings may vary depending on factors such as population density, geography, and cultural beliefs. For example, in Europe, there have been many reported sightings in countries such as France, the UK, and Italy. In Asia, Japan has a history of UFO sightings, and there have also been sightings reported in China, India, and other countries. In Africa, sightings have been reported in countries such as South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Egypt. It's worth noting that many UFO sightings can be explained by natural phenomena or human-made objects, and it can be difficult to distinguish between genuine sightings and hoaxes or misidentifications. Nevertheless, the phenomenon of UFO sightings is a global one, and people all around the world have reported experiencing strange and unexplained sightings in the sky. We asked ChatGPT, do UFOs exist? According to ChatGPT, the existence of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, is a subject of debate and remains an unsolved mystery. There have been numerous reports of UFO sightings over the years, and some people believe that these sightings represent evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology beyond our current understanding. However, it is important to note that many reported UFO sightings can be explained by natural phenomena such as weather events, optical illusions, or human-made objects such as drones or aircraft. In other cases, sightings may be the result of hoaxes or misidentifications. While there is no conclusive evidence to prove the existence of UFOs, there have been some credible reports from pilots, military personnel, and other reliable sources. The scientific community remains open to the possibility of discovering evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology, but until more conclusive evidence is gathered, the existence of UFOs remains an unsolved mystery. We asked ChatGPT, what is the most tangible UFO evidence which cannot be denied? According to ChatGPT, there is no single piece of tangible UFO evidence that has been universally accepted as undeniable proof of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology. While there have been many reported sightings and incidents over the years, the vast majority of these can be explained by natural phenomena or human-made objects. That being said, there have been some incidents that remain unexplained and have been the subject of much scrutiny and debate. For example, the 1980 Rendlesham Forest incident in the UK involved multiple witnesses, including military personnel, who reported seeing strange lights and a craft in the forest. Similarly, the 1997 Phoenix Lights incident in Arizona involved thousands of witnesses who reported seeing a large, V-shaped craft in the sky. While these incidents are compelling, They are not conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology. It is important to approach such reports with skepticism and to rely on rigorous scientific investigation and analysis before drawing any conclusions. We asked ChatGPT, is there a solid UFO evidence that exists? According to ChatGPT, there is no solid, conclusive evidence that proves the existence of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, or extraterrestrial life. While there have been many reported sightings and incidents over the years, most can be explained by natural phenomena, human-made objects, hoaxes, or misidentifications. That being said, there have been some incidents that remain unexplained and have been the subject of much scrutiny and debate. For example, there have been reports of UFOs being detected on radar, but these can often be explained as radar anomalies or other technical issues. Similarly, there have been reports of physical evidence such as soil samples or radiation readings that some have attributed to UFOs, but these have not been conclusively linked to extraterrestrial life or advanced technology. It is important to approach reports of UFO sightings and incidents with skepticism and to rely on rigorous scientific investigation and analysis before drawing any conclusions. While the possibility of discovering evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology remains intriguing, it is important to remain grounded in the scientific method and to remain open to alternative explanations for reported sightings and incidents. Small print at the end. ChatGPT the 13th of February version. Free research preview. Our goal is to make our e-systems more natural and safe to interact with. Your feedback will help us improve.